So if you are sitting in placement for data scientist, so more likely they will take a coding round of test in which they will ask they will ask do basic coding like for loop, if, else, while, and basic like data structure, array, BST, stack queue. So like most of the company will take a coding round. Being a fresher, they will take a coding round, and after that in interview, if you will like do some projects in machine learning, what you will get to know that if you are not knowing even basics of ML, if you are not knowing basics of maths, basics of stat, everything, if you are not knowing anything, if you are just know how to write code, okay, so you will do the complete project. There are certain fixed line of codes to do the project, and you can do any project with that set of line of codes. But they won't ask this line of code in interview. They will ask the mathematics behind the algorithm, how this particular linear regression is works, how does Canon work. So they will ask the mathematics of the Canon.